Hey everyone, this is John, mechanical engineer with Saratech, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick introduction to the Structure Designer. So you can find that under Applications, More, and Structure Designer, and this is really useful for laying out frames. And so the way you want to start is just create a new structure. The up direction is the Z, reference direction the X axis. And then we can go ahead and just create a sketch. Create that on the XZ plane. And so I'm just going to go ahead and create something simple here. There we are. Now if you only wanted a simple rectangular frame, you can use the frame tool. And you can just specify your corners and build it up like that. And that'll create a simple frame for you. But we're going to go with the sketch. So to do that, just click Member. And we're going to select our sketch. And now you can see we have a lot of different options for our cross-section, angle equal, angle unequal, all different types. I'm going to go with a square tube. You have the option of a couple materials, grade, and size. Just going to keep the defaults. You can select your origin as well, this is important. So currently it's the bottom center point. We can also use the center right. This is just going to shift all the members such that the sketch lines are aligned to that point. So if you have, let's say, a known surface here that you don't want to extend past, you can use one of the top points here to ensure that this is aligned. Or if you need this frame up against a wall, you can use the rightmost. It'll keep it there. We're going to go with the center point. Click OK. So now as these are generating, you can see that the corners are going to be a bit strange. It's going to try to sort them out as best it can, but what we're going to do is go in afterwards and clean those up. So first I'll start with this corner here. So to do that we can move over here to Edit Corner. Out over this, and I know I want this vertical member to extend all the way up. So we can select that one, move to the top. It's going to be a smart extend. And now these are set to but we can also do is use a matched coat, and that'll just mean that it's cut to fit around the surface of these. This one gets a bit strange, so maybe we want to rethink this. Maybe we want this horizontal one to be the main one, so we can just swap that out, and that looks pretty clean. So we're going to be okay with that. And we can also change this top one. Let's say I want these both to meet together at a perfect point. Let's do that. We change this to a miter corner. So they're cut perfectly along each other. cleans up that corner nicely. This one's looking strange as well, so let's go ahead and edit this corner. I want this corner to match this other one, so we can take the flat member, instead of Smart Extend, what we can do is know we should move this one up here. That creates that perfect corner. We can select OK. Now you also have the options of adding gussets, grab tabs, stiffeners, and haunches, as well as end caps. So end cap, you simply select your end face, select OK. Now you can have it on the outside or on the inside. If it's on the outside, you can choose whether or not you want to preserve the original length. This will cut the member to make space for the cap, or you can add the cap on afterwards. You can also select a corner treatment. By default, it matches the member, but if you want to set a certain chamfer or a separate radius, you can as well as selecting the thickness. Say I want a thinner end cap, select OK. You can add a gusset between two members, and you have a lot of options here too. You have triangles with noses, squares, and rectangles, as well as different grades and sizes. So we want to reinforce this face and attach to this one. Select OK. So here we have a triangle with nose, a square, or rectangle, and of course you have different sizes for these as well. I'm going to stick with the triangle, and you can also position it however you like and the thickness as well. You can create a grab tab as well. Say I want to be able to grab this on this face. So we can select our first reference edge and our second. And we want to offset from the first, let's say 20 millimeters. 10, 5. That looks good. With the grab tab as well, you have some options in there as well. You have the triangle, rectangle, semicircle, or trapezoid. You also have the option of using stiffeners. And these can fit in the, so we want to select this member as well as this one object. So there we have a stiffener placed inside. Select OK. We can create haunches. Reinforce this face, and we can attach to this one. There's again different sizes with this triangle and triangle with nose. Different grades and different sizes. Okay. Those are just some of the basic things you can do with the Structure Designer. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.